Neil here from our Clean and Exterior Clean Melbourne. We're just showing you here, we're in the inner suburbs of Melbourne, and this is where, you know, often spaces get really tight. We can actually put a ladder here, but we're using a vacuum, so this is an option that we offer customers is a gutter vac option, whereby we vacuum out the debris in the gutters. I'll just show you here so you see how that works. But if you do have a house which has difficult access, this is an option for you. And as you can see here, we just can't stand on this roof, it's too steep. So that's why we're using the vacuum option. So we're vacuuming out the gutters. Does a pretty good job for the most part. Just little areas around the brackets, but that's not going to be affecting the flow of water. So if you have a property that you need the gutters vacuumed on, let us know. We can happily give you a quote.